Hello everyone, this video is about flashcards and right brain training. Flashcard is a small note card bearing information mainly used for testing and improving memory. This is a quick way to stimulate our brain. Human brain is divided into two parts or say halves, right and left. We call them hemispheres. Both hemispheres or parts look very much alike, but there is a huge difference in how they process information. How brain works and how information is processed, I'll take this topic in another video. Today I shall be focusing on right hemisphere, particularly right brain training, how flashcards are useful and important tool for right brain education. Right brain is more visual and deals with images, shapes, patterns and all. So it controls creativity, spatial ability, artistic and musical skills. And flashcards are all about visual stimulation. Flashcards impart knowledge along with helping in right brain development among children. Children learn through play and I feel there is a firm place for flashcards in this. There is always a debate on the use of flashcards. Some parents and teachers feel that the flashcards focus on just memorization, but experts believe that if used in a structured way, flashcards are one of the best tools for right brain training. These should be used in a way that a child gains something, like pictures or words can be related to objects at home and other surroundings. The purpose is connection, creating a level of interconnectivity, making it more of a game than just a study or memory tool. Flashcards improve cognitive development, increase awareness, stimulate thinking, increase confidence, boost vocabulary, basically allow children to make association. I got these books when my twins were 7 months old. My first library having 10 books of different concepts, numbers, alphabets, fruits, vegetables, birds, domestic animals, wild animals, mode of transport, shapes. Both of them were acquainted with books at an early age. But as you know, children hear books and same was done with this set of books too. But I made best out of these torn books since these have hard papers and I turned them into flashcards. Now we have almost 100 of flashcards which we practice almost every alternate day. Spread them out on the table, flip them, shuffle them. These are ideal for little hands to hold. Girls never get bored as pictures are shown randomly to them and they try to answer the questions asked. If you want to buy these books and other flashcards that would actually stimulate your child's brain, then click on the links in the description box and get amazing collection of flashcards. I hope you liked the video. Give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Alka Space.